Well, I'll try to keep it not as political as possible, but can I make an assumption that, would it be, in your opinion, that, I mean, one of the things I said earlier today after we left was that and I challenge anyone in the room, put your hand up who all agreed that our pays would be electronically put into our bank. We didn't have any choice, the government forced it. I mean, maybe it's something like this, that we have government services that have to become online so that everyone has to do it. So that really empowers the community.
This is happening in California big time. I mean, it's basically, if you want to go down to get your driver's license renewed, you can do that. And we got rid of all but one clerk. Right. And you can just get in line and whatever. If your time's not valuable, then good. On the other hand, you've got this really cool online system that you can do it from your home. So the government's not making you do anything. It's providing a value proposition, if they say, for you.
That's for the politicians in the room, by the way.
So I think, I think the government services is very important. See, the government, I know folks in the private sector always, somehow the government's the enemy, but at the end of the day, in the U.S. it certainly worked, the government can be a good first customer. So for the NBN in particular, I think it's critical that all of the governments are said, you will use this for everything you do. And it is important because at this moment in time, we don't have enough money in our society and any of our countries to keep doing things the way we were doing in government in the last century, the 20s. So we're going to have to get efficient. I mean, we hear more still about healthcare, and we're going to hear the aging population, Social Security, and all that stuff. It's, there's not enough money in the universe to do things the way we used to do it. So there's got to be innovation. And here in Tasmania, you have a perfect example to take the lead in that. And this is not trivial to do. I mean, has any of you ever built one of these software systems that can deal with the kind of government services and the scale of people and the user interface that's simple enough to use that people actually use it? This is not easy stuff. So there's some real business opportunities, I think, for this. And again, it's the government that has to do it, but at the end of the day, the government would like to buy some software from you that allows us to happen over the NBN, and that's where the innovation opportunity